So here is another question on cross multiplication method. So it is given to solve the equations 3x minus 2y plus 3 and 4x plus 3y minus 47, that is equals to 0, and this is also equals to 0 with cross multiplication method. So first we'll write the equations. So we have 3x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0 and 4x plus 3y minus 47 equals to 0. Comparing it with the standard format, a1x b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, we have a1 equals to 3, b1 equals to minus 2, c1 equals to 3, a2 equals to 4, b2 equals to 3, c2 equals to minus 47. So here we'll go with the direct formula approach. So the formula is, previously we did it with the cross multiplication approach. So in each solution I'm going with alternate approach, so you are familiar with both. So the formula is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here that implies x by b1 c2 minus 2 into minus 47, so that is equal to 94 plus 94 minus b2 c1 is 3 into 3 minus 9, that is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. C1 a2 is 3 into 4, that is equal to 12 plus minus, it is not plus, minus. So it will be C2A1 is minus 47 into 3, so it is equal to minus 41. So minus 41, so it becomes 12 plus 41. Okay, 12 plus 141. So then we have 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. a1 b2, 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 minus a2 b1. a2 b1 is 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. So minus 8, so it becomes 9 plus 8. So we have x by 85 is equal to y by 153 is equal to 1 by 17. That implies x is equal to 85 by 17, which is equal to 5, and y is equal to 153 by 17, which is equal to how much? 9. Yes. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 9. We have got here 5 and y is equal to 9. Okay, so this is that. So you can also go with the cross multiplication, that diagram approach also, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2, and then do the cross multiplication. So we are doing it in alternate questions. In one question we are going with the formula, in another question we are going with the diagram. So you are clear with both the approaches, you are acquainted with both the approaches. Okay, so this is this. So solution: x is equal to 5, y is equal to 9. So here is another question where we have two equations given by x by 6 plus y by 15 is equal to 4 and x by 3 minus y by 12 is equal to 19 by 4, and we have to solve for x and y using cross multiplication method. So first we'll write the equations. So x by 6 plus y by 15 is equal to 4, and then we have x by 3 minus y by 12 is equal to 19 by 4. So here, in order to convert it into a simple format, to remove the fractional part, we'll multiply both sides with the LCM. So here we'll multiply 30 on both sides. Okay, here 30 and here also 30, and here we'll multiply 12 on both sides. On both sides. So we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 120, and here we have 4x minus y is equal to, this is 12, 3, 57. Okay, so here it is what, 12 into x by 3, 312, that is 4. 4x minus 12y, 4x minus y, that is equal to here 4 cancelled by 12, that is 3, then 57. Yes, that's right. So we have converted it into standard format which we have handled so far. So again we'll convert it into ax plus by plus c format. So then it will be 5x plus 2y minus 120 is equal to 0, and 4x minus y minus 57 is equal to 0. So if we compare it with ax plus by plus c format, this is a1, b1, c1, it is a2, b2, c2. So a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 20. Similarly, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to minus 57. Okay, so here we have, if we use the diagram approach, then we have, first we'll write b1 b2, then c1 c2, then a1 a2, then again b1 b2. So b1 b2 is 2 and 1, then c1 c2 minus 120 minus 57, then we have a1 a2, that is 5 and 4, then again b1 b2, that is 2 and minus 1. So here it is minus 1. By mistake I have written 1. So always be careful when you are writing the the coefficients. Always be careful with their sign and with the calculation, the basic calculations. Okay, because it is very easy, because there are a lot of steps here and you can skip any one of them and make the mistake. So this is for x, this is for y, and this is for 1. So we have x by this into this minus this into this. So it is 2 into minus 57, that is equal to minus 114, minus 1 into minus 20. So it is 114 minus 120, 100 minus 114 minus 120. So then y by this minus this. So minus 120 into 4, which is equal to minus 480, minus 57 into 5. So it is minus 285. So minus 480 plus 285, which is equal to 1 by this minus this. So 5 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 5, minus 4 into 2, which is equal to minus 8. So that implies x by minus 234 is equal to y by, it will be minus 195, yes, 195. Then this is equal to 1 by minus 13. That implies x is equal to minus 234 by minus 13. So it is equal to plus, so it's 1. So we have 104, that is 8. 13 into 8 is 104. Yes, so it is 18. And y is equal to minus 195 by minus 13. So again that is 165, so it is 15. Yes. So x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 15. Okay. So this is the solution. X is equal to 18 and y is equal to 15. Okay. So here we have gone with the diagram approach of cross multiplication. So you can, if you remember the formula directly, you can put it like we are doing in alternate questions. In one question we are going directly with the formula, writing the formula, putting the values, getting the result, and another question we are going with the diagram approach. So whichever way you are comfortable with, you can go with that. Okay.